already formulated the things for the DIFFQ example. So he will take the same example and he will identify all the constant that has to be put, and then he will run the things in a uh, ILP solver, and then he'll show how the results is coming and how to run that thing. Okay, so therefore you can start.
Okay, sir. So today we'll discuss MLRC and MRLC ILP based scheduling problem, and its demo using using Ciplex environment. So Ciplex is an optimizer tool that we can download from the website, and that is available on the IBM website from here, and you need to configure in your system. So it can be run in any operating system like Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, anything, or the same program can be done by using any language like C, C++, Java, and Python and more. So I have done the programming using Java environment. So the problem here is minimum latency scheduling under resource constraint. So here the problem given to you is a operation constant graph, and the resource, its types of resource and number of resource in each type, and the objective is to determine the schedule that minimizes the scheduling length. So in this operation constant graph, there are in total 11 operations are available, and we have added 2 domain nodes. So in total, uh, 13 nodes are there, and we are given with, let's say, A1 and A2 operator, A1 and A2 resources, multiplier 2 numbers, and ALU 2 numbers, and each operation takes 1 cycle to execute, and we are going to find out the lambda latency. We are going to find out, and that should be minimized, right? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. So before to execute in Ciplex, we have to find out ASAP ALAP time to determine start time of each operation. Uh, that is I have calculated for each operation, and ASAP ALAP time is as follows. For example, operation 6 start at time step 1 or time step 2. If and operation 7 can also start at time step 2 or time step 3. So the mobility of operation 6 is 1, and the mobility of operation 7 is 1. Similarly, the mobility of operation 1 is 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, all are 0. 0 mobility operations. Now, this MLRC formulation already are discussed. So we are going to minimize the latency such that this unique start time constant and dependency constant and resource constant must be satisfied. Where xij is a binary Boolean variable which contain either 0 or 1. So if we expand all these equations, all these constants, then the equation for unique start time is unique start time, dependency constant, and resource constant are as follows. For example, uh, let me consider unique start time for x11 is 1. x11 means operation 1 at time step 1. It is 1. For take operation 6. Operation 6 can start at time step 1 or time step 2. So 6x1 plus x61 plus x62 equal to 1. Similarly, operation 7 can start at time step 2 or time step 3. So 7 x72 plus x73 equal to 1. So this tells that either of these two is 1. Means either 611 61 is 1 or 612 is 1. This equation enforces that constant. Then come to dependency constant. So now in this graph, 6 and 7 are dependent. So if 6 is started at time step 1, then 7 can be executed at time step 2 or time step 3. If 6 started at time step 2, then 7 can only execute at time step 3. So this constant enforce that relationship, dependency constant relationship among 6 and 7 operation. For example, if we assign 1 to 6 2 binary variable, then this equation value will be 2, and we cannot assign x7 to 1 because 2 minus 2 minus 1, this constant is violated. So this dependency constant enforce the dependency relationship between the two operation in the operation constant graph. Resource constant says that in a single time step, let's say time step 1, only 2 resource which has multiplier can be executed. So x11, x21, x61, x81, out of these 4, only 2 operation can be performed here. Now we will see how can we accommodate these all operation into a simplex environment. So to set up, I am using Eclipse IDE. So you can go to create a new file, go for a new project and give the name accordingly. I have already created that file. So, and you can also to import this simplex folder, simplex package, we need to set the library. So in order to set the library, go to example, property, and in the Java build path, you import the in the library, you add the jar file, which is coming from the installed simplex file. And accordingly, you need to set the path where the native library location is there. So the path should be simplex bin win64, means this is the installed location of the simplex file. So after doing this much of setting, you can come to write the program where you have to define or set all the variables available here and the dependence constant and objective functions. So let's see here, I am defining here. So for MLRC program, so we are defining first d equal to